Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. I'm addicted to luxury goods, accessories, makeup, skincare, self-care, and I'm going to rehab soon. Today I have a huge haul. As you can see, this box in front of me is huge. I can barely carry it, but I do have a few things I got, and also I did get a bag, but that will be in a separate video. So this one is all about I would say my last two latest shopping haul, and we're gonna do an unboxing here together. And if you like these kind of luxury videos, please like and subscribe, and let's keep on watching. Let's just start with this elephant in the room. This box is so big that when I need to put this box in my car, my SA need to ask another SA to help carry this box into my car. And I wasn't gonna do any unboxing because I feel like this purchase is one of the most unnecessary purchase like ever. Even though I literally just said it in my no buy list that I just uploaded. I know I literally did not do what I said I'm gonna do, but I think this is like, the price is not too bad for an Hermes purchase, and I think I'm just gonna keep it forever. Like, I think it will last forever unless someone ruins it. So first, this box is like huge. It's bigger than my body, and the side, it has two handles like this for people to carry, and I honestly cannot carry this on my own. I had someone help me carry up to, you know, where I'm filming. So let's open this box together. Actually, I wonder why nobody unboxed this, because it's such an unnecessary purchase, or maybe the box is too big to unbox. So I really wonder why nobody unboxes this, because I thought the box is gonna be bigger, and I thought it's gonna be delivered to my home so that I don't have to go get it at the store. But yeah, it came to the store, and then I was gonna get other things, so I might as well just pick it up. But here it is. So as you can see, it is my dog bed. So from what I understand is that what I got is the medium size. So there's medium and large. I don't know if they're small, but apparently at the store there is two medium sizes. Okay, I'm actually not sure what it is, but I got this size that is, you know, around my body's width like this, and according to the measurements it's around 68 centimeters. On the website it says it's medium, but my SA also brought out another bed that is like 90 centimeters, but my SA said that's also medium, so I got really confused. So let's just say this is the 68 centimeters. It comes with this book, and originally I picked navy color for the bedding, but my dog is black, and in this size it doesn't come in navy. Like, there was no stock at the time. So I'm thinking orange is really cute, and look at the camera right now, it comes up super duper bright orange, but in person it's more like that burnt orange. And oh my god, this is so soft. I think this is way too soft for my dog. Hopefully, my dog is getting old, so not old, he's like 3 years old, but my dog is, you know, not a puppy anymore, so he's not gonna go bite around the wood because he doesn't bite on furniture. That's why I decided to get this. And this wood is very weighty, and I'm hoping to put this in my apartment or my new living spaces or whatnot, but I'm not gonna use it right now for my home because I have like really cheap ass beds for my dogs because he's gonna destroy them. But so far he doesn't destroy any of the beds, so I think this is a great purchase for me. I feel like I saw one of the people that I know has this, and it looks so cute in her home. So this is like for my future home, and yeah, it is so cute. Let me see if I can carry this up. Like in the front, okay, in the front it has this Hermes logo with this like metal around the wooden box, and it's just like a wood box, a huge wood box. But I would say this is perfect for like small medium dog. My dog is a Shiba Mame, is a smaller Shiba. Therefore, he's around 7 kg, and I think this bed fits perfectly because I'm looking at the bed he's sleeping in right now. It's like about the same size. I might want to bring like another pillow on here so that he leans, because he likes leaning on to one side. So I think he's gonna lean into something, so I'm gonna put another cheap ass pillow here. And I like that you can take this off completely and just wash it. Let's see, it says let's see if this can be machine wash, or like this cannot be like dry clean like one of Hermes clothes. Okay, this is all like polyester. You can machine wash, hand wash, you can iron, but you can't put it in a tumble dry. You can't put it in the dry, like the dryer, which is fine. We don't use dry in Thailand because it's already so hot. So let me put her back into the box. Okay, now that we are done with this huge box, let's go on to the little things that I got from Hermes. That one of them I already, started using it. And I've got a request that how do I tie the chain with this scarf. I did a TikTok tutorial, and if you want to see it, I'll link it down below. So basically this is like my scarf top. It's like a huge square scarf, and I used the chain, a chappy chain in silver. So let me show you the back. So this is what it looks like in the back, and my chain is in the 120 centimeter size, and this one, it hooks in the back in the middle here, and it hooks perfectly. It has a little bit of space. So my waist is around 26 inches, so you can check and see. I think if you are around like a small or medium, you're fine with 120 centimeters. And if you want it looser, you don't want it tight, because this goes around the neck, it crisscrosses the back. So I'm gonna have that tutorial in TikTok, and I'll link that down below. For I saw a few requests, so check that out. Next, we have a few twillies. I know, oh my god, I never do anything that I said at all. I know. I literally just said I'm gonna buy less twillies, but this time I think through a bit more of which exact bag I'm gonna use the twilly on. So let's just start unboxing these 4 twillies. Okay, unboxing them. So this is my latest purchase, and I got 2 of these, and look at this. It's so cute. This one is like the crazy ice cream or something, but look at that. Like, look at that Pegasus or horse ice cream. It's so cute. So I did get 2 of these to put on my Birkin 25. This is meant for my Birkin, and also because it has this green shades, I think it could also be used on my Birkin Eucalyptus, but because it's, I sent it for repair, so I'm going to use this for my Birkin 25 in Green Totoro. Next one, actually I'm not sure if I mix it all up. Okay, this is another one, so I'll come back to it. Let me just find the same. No, this is also another pair. Let me just find the other one. Okay, so this is their pair. So here's a pair of the 2 together. It's so cute. I can't even. This is way too cute. Like, it has ice cream, popsicles, everything. This is way too cute. Like, I cannot miss this. So I got this pair, and these are also the other 2. And this one is also meant for my Birkin Eucalyptus. See? This one is also very muted. Now I think I'm more educated, I'm more experienced in picking twillies. So I make sure to pick twillies that doesn't have way too many shades or any like saturated bright colors, because I know I do not like those bright colors. And this is very muted. It could also be used on my Birkin 25 in Green Toro, or also in Eucalyptus. Actually, let me bring it right now. So this is my Birkin 25, and I already have a twilly on it, and this is kind of like a gray bluish tone, but because I know that it is a gray tone, this would also fit perfectly with the bag. I think it looks really good too, because it has this like grayish, greenish, beige, like beige alabaster like that. It has really similar colors, and as for this one, I think it works as well. It is more of a warm tone, but I think this one I will use it on the Eucalyptus, and this one I will use it for this bag, and I think it's really pretty. I really like it. On to the next purchase. I have already unboxed this. I'm so sorry. I was too excited to like wear it, and as you can tell, they are shoes. So what I got is, I've already worn it too. So because I was too excited to wait to film and I really want to wear it, I got the Empire sandals. This is in suede, in beige alabastre, along those lines. Basically, I really wanted this style of sandals, but when it first came out, there was only like leather, and I tried it on. I remember I tried on in white, and this part was super stiff that the top of my toes really hurt from like this part. So I asked my SA if suede ever came in, and I really wanted the dark green color that would really match well with my eucalyptus bag, but it wasn't available. Like, I think it was available online, but obviously I wanted to get it from the store, which never came, or if it came, I didn't get a chance to get it. So I got this, and for some reason, I do not know why, this one I am in the size 37, but the sheep sandals I am in the size 36. It is really weird. I don't know what it is, but let me show you both pairs. It comes with a paper like this, and the bottom is like the same. I've worn this already. I'm filthy, I'm sorry. This top part is also in gold buckle, but here's the catch. On my left side, the Kelly buckle is quite stiff, like a normal Kelly buckle on shoes where it doesn't turn as much. But on my right, it's very loose, and I asked my SA, and of course my SA said to just bring it back in and, you know, exchange it for something else or just get store credit. But I wanted to wear it, like I got it, I wanted to wear it the next day. So I basically just keep turning the buckle to the right, so clockwise. I keep turning the buckle clockwise and it became more tight. But once in a while, if I wear it quite often, it starts to get loose again, so I have to turn it to the right. So this is the only thing for me that I should check the next time that you go in, or if I go in, maybe this will help you in the future if you go in to buy shoes, that check your buckle that it's tight. Because if you already bought it out, obviously you're gonna want to wear it, and obviously they're gonna let you go back in and exchange for something else, or, you know, get store credit. But it's very hard to get sizes. Like if I want the same one, there's no, 37 is no longer available. Like, this is like the last one. But I'm very happy about these shoes, and I think the suede is so soft. The suede is nice and soft, and it doesn't hurt at all. Like with this pair, I love the suede. And if you look at these shoes, my friend said that, oh my god, you look like you're Moses, or like you're from that era. And I'm just like, I never thought about that, and now every time I look down, I literally feel like I'm gonna walk with Moses, you know, to open the water, walk through. I don't know, like I look like I could be Jesus' follower as well. I don't know, it's the vibe of the shoes, but I still really like it. I enjoy it, and the width of the shoe, like here, because I have wide feet, I have a bunion, it's perfect for my feet. It's very similar to the cheap sandals. If you like the cheap, I would say the sizing is pretty similar. I don't know why the cheap, I could wear 36, but for this one I prefer 37. But I've also tried a 37 in cheap sandals, and I could wear it as well. So I think it really depends on like your preference, and if you like it tight, if you like it loose, it really depends. I think my feet is not that long, but my feet is quite wide, so with the cheap sandals I could get away with a 36. Last but not the least, I got ready to wear, and it's not often that I get Hermes ready to wear because of course it's expensive. I make my own clothes, like I have my own clothing brand, so obviously a lot of times I'm gonna wear my own clothing brand. But this one, it's really cute. I would say it's really cute. So let's just open this up together. It comes in a bag like this. So this is what it looks like, and oh, it's just right there. So this is what I got. This is their like safari shorts, and their display really works because this was on the mannequin and I wasn't looking at it, but then my SS actually, you want to look at any ready to wear, and obviously I was like, oh, this is really cute. So this is just like a super high waist shorts with belt on top, but at the top part it has a little bit of elastic waistband on the top, and also it has this like leather patch on the back, which, you know, I actually do not like when they put leather patches because it means that I have to dry clean it, because this pants is just 100% cotton, and they have their tag right here. This is also in the size 36, and my hips are at 37 inches, but this fit me perfectly. Like usually I never fit in like any high-end brands because I have like really wide hips and a smaller waist, but this one, I think because of the super high waist and this tie strap right here, it is super cute. And in the back it has this dart where the layers, like where the panels are kind of like a little bit shifted. So I really like the detail of the back side, and also in the front the dart also makes the panel shifts a little. I love all the top stitching. Like I just think that the quality is amazing. I tried it on and it fits me perfectly. So if you want to see me style these shorts, you can go on my Instagram. I will be wearing them and posting them for sure. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoy these kind of luxury videos, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.